This is the Oracle ARCS Transaction Matching Simulator, an original training tool built by BISP Trainings to help you practice reconciliation concepts. Let me walk you through it, step by step. This is the dashboard. It gives a quick summary of total transactions, how many are matched, how many are still unmatched, and how many adjustments are pending approval. The charts below show the match rate, auto versus manual matches, and how old the unmatched items are. This is training mode. It gives you a guided, scored checklist of 11 tasks, taking you through the complete reconciliation process from setup to closing the period. Your score updates automatically as you complete each task. This is the match type screen. A match type defines which two sources are compared, for example bank against GL, along with the process and calendar used. Clicking Create Match Type opens this form, where you set up the source pair, tolerances, and approval settings for a new reconciliation. Here are the data sources. Each source, like the bank statement or the general ledger, is configured with its file format and field mapping before it can be imported. This button opens the form to register a brand new data source into the system. This is the match process view. It shows the step-by-step flow that a match type follows, from loading data right through to creating adjustments and closing exceptions. These are the match rules. Each rule runs in sequence during AutoMatch, using exact matching, amount tolerance, or date tolerance logic. Clicking View Logic shows the underlying if-then condition, along with its tolerance and grouping settings, in plain, readable form. This is the Transaction Import Center. You choose a data source, like the bank statement, and load the file into the system before matching can begin. Watch closely, I am clicking Import File now. The system validates every record, checks for duplicates, and finishes with a summary. And done. You can see the records received, the valid records, and any rejected or duplicate entries right here. This is the AutoMatch Engine, the heart of the simulator. It runs every active rule, in order, against the imported bank and GL transactions. I am clicking Run All Rules now. Notice the pipeline lighting up, one stage at a time, exact matches first, then tolerance matches. The run is complete. These result cards show exactly how many transactions were matched by each rule and how many are still left unmatched. This is the manual matching workbench. Whatever AutoMatch could not resolve lands here, so you can select items from both sides and confirm a match by hand, including one-to-many and many-to-one groupings. This is the Unmatched Items screen. It shows every open item with its aging, so high value or very old items can be prioritized for review. This is the Adjustments screen, used for small tolerance differences that need a journal entry to close them out. This form lets you create a new adjustment, choose its type, and route it for approval. This is Journal Export. Once an adjustment is approved, it is exported from here as a journal entry, ready to post into the ERP system. This is the balance report. It shows the full reconciliation formula, the beginning balance, plus activity, minus what is still unmatched, tying out to the ending balance. This is the audit trail. Every single action in the system, including everything we just clicked together, is logged here automatically for full traceability. This is the jobs screen, where every background job, like our import and our AutoMatch run, is tracked with its status and record count. This is configuration, showing the environment level settings, like the current period and base currency, for this training environment. And finally, this is the help section, with a recommended learning path if you ever want to repeat this journey on your own. That completes our quick tour of the BISP Trainings Oracle ARCS Transaction Matching Simulator. If you enjoyed this, BISP Trainings offers complete, hands-on courses on Oracle EPM and Account Reconciliation Cloud, taught by real industry experts. Visit www.bisptrainings.com or call +91 769 409 5404 to enroll today. Thank you so much for learning with BISP Trainings.